to come. Number 3 is HP OfficeJet 3830 Wireless Color Inkjet Printer. When printing HTV, heat transfer vinyl, designs, the HP OfficeJet 3830 Wireless Color Inkjet all-in-one printer is a game-changer. This printer is the ultimate powerhouse, combining printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities into one sleek and compact unit. With lightning-fast ISO print speeds of 8.5 ppm in black and 6 ppm in color, you'll breeze through your projects quickly. Need a productivity boost? Activate the draft mode and experience mind-blowing speeds of up to 20 ppm in black or 16 ppm in color. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to efficiency. But that's not all. The HP OfficeJet 3830 has a scanning and copying prowess that will leave you in awe. Its flatbed and ADF scanner unit allows you to scan, copy, and even fax documents from the same machine. The optical resolution of 1200 dpi guarantees sharp and vibrant images, capturing every intricate detail. Thanks to its 2.2-inch mono touchscreen display, navigating settings and activating different modes is a breeze. Plus, with the convenience of built-in Wi-Fi and USB 2.0 connectivity, you can easily connect your smartphone or tablet for direct interaction. If you want to purchase this best printer, the link is given in the description box. Number